Sometimes you feel bored by using one keyboard again and again. Now we want to get something new. Many Android users prefer the iOS keyboard because of its sleek design and easy to use features. With just a few simple steps, you can get the iOS keyboard on your Android device and enjoy all the benefits. Make sure to watch this video till end. Wait, let me show a preview of it. This is before and this is after. Hope you like it. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go to the description of this video and click on the download link. I have provided Google Drive and media file link. You can download from anyone. So click the link and it will open a page. Now click on this continue button. It may open other page, so you have to go back to this page and again click this button. Now click on I am not a robot and verify yourself. You know how to do it. Now wait a couple of seconds and click on go button. If it enters out of sight, then again go back to the page and click on the button once more. Finally, download the application and install it. After installing, open the application. Now allow all the permission this application wants and follow me. You can click here, not now. So now click on the theme and select the light or dark iOS theme. It's up to you. I'm choosing dark one. Simply select it and go back. Now select sound and vibration and enable it. Set the amount of volume you want, it's up to you again. So that is how you can get iOS keyboard on an Android device. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure to hit the like button, and if you are new, subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. I'll really appreciate it. I'm leaving for now. I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, keep supporting, keep loving. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Amir Islam from theastltd signing out. Oh yeah, I forgot every time to say comment down your queries for the next upcoming video. Peace.